the James Webb Telescope addresses one of the best advances in astronomy. Also, never failed to stun as of late. This telescope has made another revelation in our planetary group, albeit the sun-powered framework has not gone through huge changes throughout. The long-term commonality has led us to erroneously accept that we have found everything in it. However, in reality, space proceeded to grow, and new articles are seeming the James telescope should mold a portion of these newfound items. Mish Kakue, eminent American hypothetical physicist, likewise communicates shock at these new, furthermore obscure articles traverse in space. Given the presence of these articles, the inquiry emerges regarding whether this portends something positive. What is certain is that this denotes another stage of learning in the realm of physical science. Go along with us as we investigate the subtleties of the 500 new articles as of late distinguished by the James Telescope in space. Assuming you're keen on keeping up to date with news from the universe and its environmental factors, buy into our channel. Make certain to like this video, share it to it contacts more individuals, and turn on the notice ringer. NASA, the European Space Organization, the Canadian Space Office have collaborate to give cosmologists an remarkable gift, the James Webb Space Telescope. This remarkable gifts offers them the potential chance to notice the past in its beginning phases, and we can say observer the actual formation of the universe. Stargazers all over the planet were shipped to the furthest reaches of time because of the James Webb Telescope, which has been held as the most exceptional heavenly observatory of the following 10 years. Furthermore, one of the best logical accomplishments within recent memory, this telescope has made the ways for space and taken us to the starting points of everything. With this low Earth circle, the James World Telescope has caught various pictures of the most far-off locales of the universe, offering seas at no other time seen like the Hubble's telescope. It has prevailed with regards to catching the verifiable times of our universe, analyzing the set of experiences and development of endless world stars and nebulae. Researchers working with the James Webb Telescope have declared a intriguing disclosure when they started gathering information utilizing the new profound fields telescope. They understood that they might be a lot more far-off cosmic systems than they had past guessed. This gives us important data about how the universe is delivering worlds at a quicker and prior rate than beforehand thought. Incidentally, only a couple 100 million years after the huge explosion, numerous cosmic systems previously existed. James Webb has given us admittance to see how it all started. A few researchers have even recommended that worlds might have started to shape just a brief time later. The enormous detonation, which happened almost quite a while back. This revelation tested astronomers' current hypotheses about how and when universes shaped, which is one of the elements that makes the James Webb Telescope far better than the Hubble telescope. One of the most exceptional benefits of the James Telescope, contrasted with the H-scope, is its size. The James Webb has a 6.5 m reflect made out of 18 brilliant plastic Seagal pieces. This permits us to catch life from object multiple times more productively than the HBL telescope's 2.4 m width focal point. However, the James Webb's most prominent benefit over Hubble lights in its high aversion to infrared light. The telescope can recognize frequencies in a reach from 0.6 to 28.5 micron, covering the center to the red finish of the infrared range. This essentially extends our capacity to investigate and comprehend the universe in various groups of lights, uncovering subtleties and peculiarities that were recently covered up. The James Webb Space Telescope plays an fundamental job in uncovering the numerous secrets of the universe by catching the otherworldly marks of heavenly occasions. These telescopes permit researchers to investigate outrageous conditions that bring about these enormous peculiarities. One of the most charming mysteries that has consolidated is the presence of obscure objects in our nearby planet group, despite the fact that it is typical for our nearby planet group to get intermittent visits from objects like Mua. We have at no other time seen such an exceptional impact of heavenly guests, this unexpected expanding guests, and the revelation of 5 new unidentified items in our independent framework had left numerous researchers and astrophysicists confounded. These divine bodies represent an interesting secret to researchers. In spite of thorough ES perceptions and examination, they have yet to be distinguished and arranged. Anyway, they actually address an entrancing assortment of divine substances, going from the most recognizable space rocks and comets to obscure and possibly honorable articles that have found their direction into our universe. The sheer variety and amount of these unidentified items offer an uncommon chance for logical investigation and revelation. Notwithstanding the challenges they address, they are a promising field of study that can give significant bits of knowledge into our sun-powered framework and past. Simultaneously, these obscure items could present huge dangers. To that end, the significance of the James Webb Space Telescope lies in its capacity to unwind the development of our nearby planet group by concentrating on directions, properties, and structure of these new articles. They have showed up in our grandiose area. Dissecting the actual attributes of this obscure space-crossing object would assist us with acquiring important bits of knowledge into the cycle that has molded our planetary group north of billions of years in expansion. By looking at their orbital designs and gravitational collaborations, researchers could all the more likely comprehend the complex elements that have impacted the development and conduct of these objects that currently call our nearby planet group home. What's more, going past our own planetary group guarantees a more profound comprehension of the development and advancement of other planetary groups. With this information, scientists will be capable to draw equals and correlations with objects observed in far-off heavenly frameworks. The identification of these articles may likewise add to our comprehension of the appropriation of issue in the universe. Looking at the area of the circles and the properties of these new heavenly items is significant for stargazers to reclassify existing models. What's more, hypotheses about the enormous scope construction of the universe. These perceptions gives us important knowledge into how matter is disseminated on a general scale, which extends our comprehension of the structure and association of the universe in. Strangely, the discovery of these items might give pertinent data about the idea of dull matter. One of the most cryptic parts of the known universe, dim matter, is a huge piece of the complete mass of the universe, and figuring out its cooperations and impact on its climate, it's basic to get hints about its presence and conduct. Through this exploration, we can now add to settling the secret of dim matter and work on our comprehension of its properties and its job in the universe. The location of these 500 obscure articles in space may likewise shed light on the nature and impact of dim energy, which is the main impetus behind the speeding up developments of the noticeable universe. While the disclosure of 500 new items in our old planetary group is energizing in its own right, it brings up issue about their starting point. One of the most interesting speculations proposes that they might have been shot out from dark openings. Dark openings are one of the most interesting peculiarities in our universe, and to a huge degree stay a mystery to us. They are heavenly elements framed by the breakdown of huge stars and have such a strong gravitational power that they can disturb close-by objects and hurl them further away into space if these obscure particles shot out from the sun-oriented framework because of the impact of a dark opening. It would be a demonstration of the tremendous power that these grandiose items apply. Dark openings not just have the capacity to swallow lamentable bodies in their wake, yet additionally discharge material that has not yet entered the occasion skyline layer. Like a space cyclone, the extreme tidal force applied by dark openings can destroy stars or some other planetary body, establishing a tumultuous climate in which parts are fiercely catapulted. In this sense, the inquiry emerges as to whether dark openings have the ability to likewise launch materials that have been caught inside them as opposed to holding them. Vastly, this situation raises a captivating chance that dark openings are devourers as well as drivers of way into driving spades. Well, what do you think? Let us know in the remarks box. Make sure to raise a ruckus around town button on the off chance that you like the video. Buy in. What's more, turn on the notice chime. Thank you especially for watching the video, and see you in the following one. The James Webb Telescope represents one of the most significant advancements in astronomy, continually stunning scientists with its recent discoveries. It has recently unveiled a new revelation within our planetary group, challenging the common assumption that we have discovered everything within our solar system. Despite our familiarity with the solar system, space continues to expand, and new objects continue to emerge. Renowned American theoretical physicist Michio Kaku has expressed surprise at these newly discovered and enigmatic objects scattered throughout space. These discoveries mark a new phase in our understanding of physical science. The James Webb Telescope, a collaborative effort between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency, has provided astronomers with an extraordinary tool for observing the universe's origins. It offers the potential to witness the universe's formation and early stages, allowing astronomers to peer back in time to the distant past. The telescope's advanced capabilities have propelled us to the furthest reaches of time, capturing images of the most remote regions of the universe. Like the Hubble Space Telescope, it has provided unprecedented views of the universe's historical epochs, shedding light on the history and evolution of countless galaxies, stars, and nebulas. Scientists working with the James Webb Telescope have made an intriguing discovery regarding the abundance of galaxies in the universe. Through observations made with the new Deep Fields Telescope, they have realized that there may be far more distant galaxies than previously thought. This revelation challenges existing theories about the universe's formation, suggesting that galaxies may have begun to form shortly after the Big Bang, much earlier than previously believed. One of the James Webb Telescope's most significant advantages over the Hubble Space Telescope is its size. With a 6.5-meter mirror composed of 18 golden hexagonal segments, the James Webb Telescope is capable of capturing light more than 7 times more efficiently than the Hubble Telescope's 2.4-meter mirror. Additionally, the James Webb Telescope's high sensitivity to infrared light enables it to detect a broader range of frequencies, expanding our ability to explore and understand the universe. The recent discovery of 500 new objects within our solar system has left many scientists puzzled and intrigued. These celestial bodies, ranging from asteroids and comets to unknown and potentially significant objects, present a fascinating opportunity for scientific exploration and discovery. Despite the challenges they pose, they represent a promising field of study that could provide valuable insights into our solar system's formation and evolution. Furthermore, the detection of these objects may contribute to our understanding of dark matter and dark energy, two enigmatic components of the universe. By studying their properties and interactions, scientists hope to unravel the mysteries surrounding these elusive phenomena and gain a deeper understanding of their role in the cosmos. In conclusion, the James Webb Telescope continues to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, offering unprecedented insights into its origins and evolution. With its advanced capabilities, it has opened new avenues for exploration and discovery, challenging existing theories and expanding our understanding of the cosmos.